Today, I'm going to be upgrading the ceiling fan in our bathroom. We've been wanting to upgrade this old ceiling fan for a while now. So luckily we got this ceiling fan sent to us to make a video about. This thing's pretty nice. Comes with a remote control. It's got a lot of features on here. You can adjust the fan speeds here. There's number 1, not too loud. Go all the way up here to number 6. This thing really puts out a lot of air. You can also adjust the brightness of the lights here. It's got a dimmer on it, so we can lower the brightness. Got some different color options. A little bit of a blue light there. So it's got like 3 different color features there, so that's pretty cool.